Good morning, student. In this lecture, we will learn about the cultivation of stevia. Stevia, the scientific name is Stevia rebaudiana and family is Asteraceae. For cultivation, there are some specific requirements of this plant. Stevia is grown in a temperature between 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. The sowing temperature should be 22 to 28 degrees centigrade and harvest time be 24 to 30 degrees centigrade, and rainfall minimum 16 to 1800 millimeter, and there should be relative humidity. And stevia is a natural non-caloric sweet lasting plants used around the world for its pleasant taste as well as for its increasing research potential for inhibiting fat absorption and lowering blood pressure. And medicinal use: in Brazil, stevia used as a medicinal tea for treating heartburn and other ailments. More recently, medical research shown promises in treating obesity, high blood pressure, and hypertension. Stevia has an effect on blood glucose also, even enhancing glucose tolerance. Therefore, it is attractive as a natural sweetener to diabetics and others on carbohydrate control diets. So diabetic patient जो हैं, because the leaves of this plant are more sweet than the normal sugar, they are much more sweeter than the normal sugar, so the diabetic patient can use it as a sweetener. So land prepare कैसे करनी है? The land should be plowed initially with the disc plow or harrow to break down the clods. ठीक है, हम preparatory में हमने clods को तोड़ने के लिए डिस्क प्लोइंग कर दी. उसके बाद फाइन टिल्थ जो है सॉइल की स्टीविया के लिए चाहिए, तो इसके लिए हमें 1 से 2 प्लोइंग जो है हैरोइंग के बाद करने पड़ेंगे. So types of red soil to sandy soil types are best suitable for the cultivation of the stevia, and pH should be 6 to 7. Always check the pH of the soil before sowing, and loam soil does not show good results. So clay or loam soil, so the land should be sandy or red. Then is the raised bed preparation. So forming raised bed is the best and economical way to grow stevia. A raised bed of height half feet and width half feet is required. So distance between the two rows in a bed is 1 feet, and the distance between each plant in a row is half feet. So we should placing the plant population is around 50,000 plants per acre. Irrigation कब करनी है? माइक्रो स्प्रिंकलर्स में करनी है, बेस्ट मेथड ऑफ इरिगेशन. और फ्लड और कैनाल इरिगेशन शुड बी नॉट सप्लाई द रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एट द राइट टाइम. सो माइक्रो स्प्रिंकलर्स can be used to sprinkle the water once in a day in winter and 4 times in a day in summer. 4 times in a day in summer, and more depending upon heat and relative humidity, because we have to have maintain the temperature in between 25 to 30. So we have to sprinkle the water and can maintain the temperature also. Organic application and plant protection. There are no such pest or diseases influence in the crop. So in case any disease symptoms are noticed, spray a neem oil diluted in water is the best organic method, and for root grubs use castor oil mixed with cow manure and spray very little near the plant. So root के लिए हम castor oil भी use कर सकते हैं mixing with the cow manure. Then is the weeding. Removal of weed can be done manually. Since the crop is grown in the raised bed, intercultural operations are easier by manual labor. Maintenance कैसे? Flowering of the plant should be avoided. Since stevia has a significant apical dominance, the plant tend to grow tall and tanky. And pitching of the apical bud would enhance the bushy growth of the plant with side branches. With good management, the plant can be maintained economically for 375 years. So this plant is in high demand nowadays, and the main part of the plant is the leaves. So leaf powder is used for the green tea and as a sweetener by the diabetics. It also controls the high blood pressure, and at the same time it is inhibiting the fat absorption and lowering the blood pressure. So it should be good in demand for the medicinal point of view. So we should recommend the cultivation of this plant along with the other farming practices.